Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So you can see the SEO score of this video is 92 by 100. So let's try to increase it a bit more. So you can see this. I am using all ranked like keyword tags. Okay, you can see it from there. So I did not add any hashtags in my description part, as we can add around 50, like max to max we can add 15 tags, hashtags on our description part, but I missed to add it when after uploading, when I like checked it. So I got to know that I missed to add hashtags, so now I'm doing it. So yeah, let's add most of the tags that are ranking. So this too also. So I'm using vidIQ boost version. Okay, so that's why I'm getting help from vidIQ to add all ranked keywords. So we can add up to 15. So let's go for 15. Okay, okay, just keep on checking our SEO score. I have not updated it yet. Once I'll update it, you can see there would be some changes, I am very sure, because it's truly important to add hashtags here. I forgot it. So we have added 6, 8, 10 so far. We can add 5 more. So let's look for 5 more tags. Let's add guitar lesson for beginner. Okay, then we added author Shraddha. Let's add Shraddha Pandey. Okay, so firstly let's publish changes and let's see the changes in our SEO score. Okay, it should go up, I think. Man, it should go up. Okay, I've already added this. Okay, there is no changes in this part. Okay, so let's check one thing. Let's do one thing. Let's go there. So we have got all green ticks. So talking about tags length 472. That means we can add a few more. Okay, so let's go for tag length. Balochi is because why it went down. Okay, so make sure that whenever we, like, suppose I am posting any video and after posting I am getting to know that SEO score is 92. Just that even after 15 to 20 minutes our SEO score will be varying. Just now you can see it was 92 and now it's 75. So even after, if I will be checking after 15 minutes, so it can also go down, maybe 50, 40. So we need to take care of our SEO score multiple times. Okay, that we normally miss to do it. We just post it and for most of my video I'm not at all doing to check it again and again, but I'm trying to start this as one of my habits, that I will be taking care of my SEO score, as I have taken this boost vidIQ. So obviously I will be taking some benefit out of it, so I will be taking care of it. So yeah, you can also just take care of your SEO score if you are using any tool or doing it from yourself, or maybe you can go for any SEMrush or Neil Patel tool. Then you can get to know about the ranking tags. Then based on it you can just make changes in your video. Not not 4 to 5 times in a day, but it's still on a daily basis. Once a while you can just check your video and check your SEO score. If it is going down, you can make changes. Okay, let's add a few more keywords. Not guitar, chord, because firstly let's update this. Okay, so just that, make sure to make changes. Now it's 82. So yeah, just take care of your SEO score, keep on checking it, and if you think that some keywords or hashtags is not working, and firstly let me add all 15 here. Let's check how many we have added. We have added 12. We can add 3 more. So let's do first thing, let's do this. I just want to show you maybe if there will be some changes after doing this. Okay, so I think I have not added guitar slides, right? So let's add guitar slides also, because this is also one of the ranking keywords. Then guitar advanced lesson. Okay, beginner's tip, beginner guitar tip. Okay, let's update. Go to checklist and see. Now it's 15 by 15. Okay, so just make sure to go for checklist. Or even if you are not using anything like this, so you can take a screenshot of my screen, like just take a screenshot of it, so that you can get to know the criteria of maintaining your SEO score. So title length should be under 60 character, description length, and it should like create a well crafted description at least more than 200 character. Make sure the first 2 lines contain the keywords you want to rank for, but in a key. Okay, you can just take screenshots of all these things. Tag length, it should be under like max to max, it should be 500 character. Closed caption, you can avoid it. Then public obviously will be doing it. Then you can share it on Facebook like after publishing it. Added one tag in title, added one tag in this. You can just take a screenshot of it, and then when you post any video, you can just refer to your screenshot and like take care of your say everything, all criteria that you used to fill while using YT Studio, right? So just take care of it, and don't publish your video directly just after uploading it and putting your say title and then description. Make sure to private to that set it as private. You can see here, like I have published it. You can go for various options. Private, you can go for private, then open it in your laptop from YT Studio, and then edit everything. You can add tags, you can choose a playlist, you can change your thumbnail and everything. Do everything, and then you are good to go. Okay, so yeah, just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. So yeah, stay tuned, take care, and bye bye.